Welcome to Excel Magic. Learn Excel tricks here.
We have a spreadsheet with dates from different months and years. How to convert them to only month or year or month and year. Let's quickly learn how we can do that using simple Excel formula. Select first cell under month column and type the formula as shown in the picture and enter. Now you can see the month name. Select the cell and double-click on the right lower corner to autofill all the cells under month column. Repeat the same process to get the year with the formula shown in the picture. To get only the month number, use the formula shown in the picture. To get only the date number, use the formula shown in the picture. To get the month and year in text format, use the formula shown in the picture. To get the month and year in number format, use the formula shown in the picture. Thanks for watching. If the content is helpful, please like and subscribe the channel.